It says it's low storage. I wonder how long it's gonna last me. But anyway, I'm painting my gun box. It's gonna be a Milwaukee toolbox. Right now, I'm painting my gun box white, and then that's gonna be the base coat, and then I'm gonna paint it red. So you guys are gonna see what the end result's gonna be like once I'm all done. It used to be gray. Here it is. It's all painted already. Red. It's apple red, or apple or whatever red. This is my gun case, the box where I carry my pistols, magazines, ear protection, eye protection. So I'm about to, oh yeah, this is the stencil that I did right here. As you guys can see, it's the original color on the bottom. I wasn't too worried about that. I was just worried about the top. So yeah, it's whatever original color they come with. That's what it is. So but I was just worried about the front part, making it look like this here. This is what it looks like after I'm done doing what I did. Now it looks like a Milwaukee, like a drill or some type of tool. That's exactly what I wanted. Hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, man. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, this is my box, my gun case. Yep, I did it all on my own. So like I said, if you guys are creative, you know, you could do it. This is it. It's pretty sick, right?